This is a 2011 Mercedes Sprinter, and today we will show you the removal of the casing on this EZS. Enjoy the video. Right, so you will need this screw. It's called T15 or aka Torx. This is how it looks like. I'll also leave a name right now, right there. And the main things that you want to do, these two bolts are holding the case, so you want to remove that, and once you will do it, you can take out a scalpel and proceed to the next step. Just in case you will not damage the EZS, it's important to keep the scalpel horizontally so you will not scratch or damage any of the internals of the board. If you will follow these instructions, it should be simple for you to open this EIS or EZS. Now, as you can see, we opened it. Now I want to show you how it looks like while it's open. Different EISs and the EZSs are different for each car. On a Sprinter, this is a 2011 Sprinter, it looks just like this. Right, so you just took out the casing for the EZS. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure that you will subscribe to us, ecuteam.com. In case you're looking for a remanufactured EZS, get in touch with us, as we will be able to help you out. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, let us know what type of videos you want to see. We'll try and do that for you. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.